In many towns in southern Michigan, there are conductors or people who helped protect those running away from slavery. Slaves were hidden in homes or barns during the day. These places were called depots. At night, they went to a depot in the next town. Some of the slaves went to Canada, some chose to stay in Michigan. The next three songs were popular songs sung by the slaves. We will sing them separately and then as partner songs.